Think Dawn Powerwash is just for dishes? Think again today. You'll see 7 mind-blowing hacks that turn this cult favorite spray into a household powerhouse. And stick around for hack number 7. Knit might just replace half your cleaning arsenal. Since 1973, Dawn has been our go-to grease fighter. In 2019, they supercharged it with Powerwash. Spray-activated suds that cut through grime 5 times faster, no water needed. Clean freaks love it in the sink, but these 7 off uses will change the way you see your Powerwash bottle forever. Hack 1. Tackle soap scum and shower rings in seconds. Spritz Powerwash over tiles and glass. Let it sit 5 minutes. Then wipe clean, no elbow grease required. Your shower will sparkle like new. Hack 2. Deep clean windows inside and out. Spray the pane. Tilt downward to coat the tracks and sills. Wait a couple of minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth for streak-free shine, no glass cleaner needed. Hack 3. Save your favorite shirt or carpet from nasty stains. Lightly spray the spot, rub fabric together, or blot carpet with a towel, then launder or rinse. Those stubborn spots vanish in minutes. Hack 4. Revive weathered patio furniture and grill grates. Spray on plastic, metal, or wood slats. Let sit, then wipe away dirt and mildew. Host that barbecue knowing cleanup will be a breeze. Hack 5. Make stainless steel appliances gleam. Spray on your fridge, dishwasher, or hood, then buff with a microfiber cloth. The grease-cutting formula leaves a durable, fingerprint-resistant shine. Hack 6. Attack grease on the stove and backsplashes. Remove grates, spray all surfaces. Wait 5 minutes, then wipe clean grates, the same way reassemble, for a stove that looks brand new. Hack 7. The bonus garage trick: use Powerwash on greasy wrenches, bikes, and garden tools. Spray, let sit, then rinse or wipe in warm water. It cuts through motor oil like a pro and keeps your workspace spotless. There you have it, 7 revolutionary uses for Dawn Powerwash beyond the kitchen sink. Which hack blew your mind? Tell us in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to the Fixer's Forge for weekly DIY lifesavers. See you next time.